Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a clean and dynamic time series chart in Looker Studio, perfect for showing trends like daily sales, traffic, views, and revenue. So let's get started. So currently we are in Looker Studio. So if you create on the report, yeah. So go to the report. Choose the data source like Google Analytics Sheets or Google BigQuery. So I think we already created the connection. Go to the My Data Sources and we can select the connection from the Google Sheets. Once I click on Add here, it will add the sheet. Okay. So the Canvas report is appear now. Now go to the top menu here and add the chart. The chart type is like time series. Okay, you can place it here, and by default, if you add the time series right, it will show you. It will insert one dimension and one metric. Okay, now we are going to change this. I will show you how we are going to change. Let me enlarge this. Okay. So currently this is in the date format right now. So currently we are in here. So select the chart type and go to the right side. We are in a setup area. In the setup area, you can see the dimension is invoice date. So if you want to change the dimensions to the date or week or month or quarter, what is the value we need, we can go in and we can change it here. So the difference between the above year and the below values right here. Yeah, you can see the here right the month and year month. So what is the difference between those two? Is if it is month means it's a completely discrete value. Okay. So if you go to if I select the month year, it will give the continuation value. See you can observe here right the year wise month, whereas coming to the here if you select the month, it will give the all the values in the month wise. Suppose currently we are in 2020 and 2021, though both the month values it will combine and it will show here. Okay, this is the difference between the both the values. And coming to the metric right, if you see, scroll down to the bit below. Yeah, currently by default it is showing as a record count. So if you want to see the sales, you can go here and we can show the total sales. So just replace the value with the sales. Okay, so we can choose what kind of metric value we need. And if you want to do some kind of controls right to apply this this chart, I can go ahead and I can add some controls here. Let me add some kind of drop down list. Let me place it here. Okay, so by default it is showing as a invoice date. So I don't want to be any invoice date. I can replace the invoice date with region. Okay, so I will place it in middle. Okay, so I can see only, yeah. So these values automatically change based on the controls. Okay, so what is the control I'm going to change based on the control? The below values are changing. Basically it's kind of filter we are going to add to the this chart. And finally we are going to apply some styles here. Let me go to the chart. I select here, go to the styles. We can add here some kind of some yeah, this is the title. We can go and we can add here. We can apply some color, font color, and we can give the font size. Let me add 24. So okay, I can add into here the middle. Yeah, it's added. At the same time, you can add some the other changes like the legend as well. Currently, it is in the legend in the top side. If you want to the title in the bottom, or yeah, we can add in the bottom. Okay, so the time series currently it is showing as the line. I don't want to be line. If you want to, we can change it to the bar. So this is the option is available. Um, Currently the grid is it's a showing. So if you want to show the line, yeah, here is the one. And if you want to show the cumulative, it will give the cumulative year month wise cumulative values. Okay, and the show points. If you want, I can add show points here. Yeah, the data labels. If you can see here, data labels. I can add compact numbers. Yeah, I can add here. So this is how we are going to change the styles and cosmetic changes. Yeah. So yeah, that's how you are going to create a customized time series chart in Looker Studio. If you found this video is very helpful for you, just hit a like button and subscribe for more Looker Studio tutorials. See you in the next video. Yeah, thank you.